Hi Samiksha, while this chair is empty in our channel, one special guest is coming in our channel. Do you know who's that? Yeah, let me guess. He is Mr. Ritvik? Yes, Kaustubh, you're right. Hi Ritvik. Hi Kaustubh. Hi Ritvik. Hi Samiksha. Today we are going to learn animals' lifespan from Ritvik. Come, let's get into the video. Hi Ritvik, do you know the lifespan of snake?
10 to 15 years.
Hi Ritvik, do you know lifespan of elephant?
50 to 70 years.
Do you know tiger's lifespan?
8 to 10 years.
Ritvik, do you know the lifespan of the king of the jungle?
Yes, Samiksha, 10 to 15 years.
Wow.
Do you know lifespan of jaguar?
15 to 17 years.
Ritvik, do you know bison's lifespan?
Yes, Samiksha, 20 years.
Do you know the lifespan of deer?
Yes, Kaustubh, 16 years.
Do you know monkey's lifespan, Ritvik?
Yes, Samiksha, 20 years.
Do you know the lifespan of giraffe?
Yes, Kaustubh, 25 years.
Do you know the lifespan of alligator?
60 to 70 years, Samiksha.
Do you know the lifespan of wolf?
Yes, Kaustubh, 18 years.
Ow. One last question for you, Ritvik. Do you know the lifespan of tortoise?
Yes, Samiksha, 80 to 150 years.
Bye everyone!